Hey y'all, just took a 300% trade on Tesla. I'm gonna break down in detail exactly what I did. Y'all don't mind us wall, we working on making it a bomb, okay? So I'm gonna show you exactly what I did on this charts. I'm gonna break it down in details. You're gonna know about entry, stop loss, all that good stuff. And also watch us take it live. So make sure you watch all the way to the end. Without further ado, let's get into the charts. Hey, but before we get into that, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. I know you're gonna like it. You're gonna learn something new because you already know how YouTube be doing. Help your girl out. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and help me get this video to 1,000 likes. All right, y'all, let's get right into this 300% trade on Tesla, right? So first things first, my friends, I like to mark critical levels every morning fresh. I drop them in the group, and these are levels that we are going to use throughout the actual trading day. Okay, so one of the critical levels, or the ones that we have to have on our charts, are going to be pre-market high and pre-market low, previous day high and previous day low, right? And what we have here is the market open and we get a cool push to the upside. Cool, no problem. I'm not missing out on anything because I don't jump in anywhere. I know what my setup is. I know what I'm looking for. Now, once we got to push the upside, we got a rejection at this level and we got a complete bounce in the opposite direction. Cool. No harm, no foul. I'm waiting for my entry still. Now, it is still like 9:45 and we're still not in a trade. Does that mean we're not going to be able to take a trade? Not at all. We're just waiting for our entry. Now, what we have is the ORB that forms. The ORB simply stands for the opening range breakout. Opening range breakout. And that is going to be an indicator. An indicator gives us the high and the low of the first 15 minutes. And to find that, all you have to do is go here and to the indicator finder and type ORB, and the one I use is by ZZ Crypto 123. Right now, with that being said, we have the ORB. It's going to be this red line is going to be the low and the green line is going to be the high. Okay, now what I like to see, that's my personal preference, and it's been doing well for me. I like to see a break of the ORB. If we're going to be interested in a play to the downside or a put, we would be looking to see a break of the low. If we were interested in a play to the upside or the high, right, or a call, we'd be looking for a break of the ORB high. Now, in this case, we get a break with this candle, but I want you to know that we need a specific entry, and my entry is going to be this flag that formed here. And what I like to see is a break of the flag, and once I have the break of the flag, that is my entry. So I did enter right here with this candle. Now, you know me. If you don't know me and you're new here, please do not get into a trade unless you have your stop loss. Why are you getting out of the trade if the trade goes against you? My stop loss is simply on the opposite side of this flag. Now, with this flag forming and my entry, what I do get is a retest of the ORB, which we like to see also. Okay, now if you missed this entry, no problem. There was another flag that formed right here, and this was a beautiful play to the downside once again. So once a stock is trendy, right, or a ticker is trendy, there may be another entry in that same ticker, right? And you don't have to actually like, oh, I missed out. Just still wait for your entry, okay? Have some patience. Now, with that being said, y'all, I know you might notice some yellow lines here on my chart. Those are going to be my profit targets. Where do I want the trade to go in? That's another thing you need to ask yourself while you're trading. Where do I want this trade to actually go? And then once the trade has gotten there, right, or price action has gotten there, what am I going to do? Well, best practices, my friends, is to take profit. And what that means is lowering your risk in that trade. So for example, if you bought, say 6, right, you would lower your trade by 50%. So you would take 3 off of that and you would have 3 contracts. So this is what I like to do at my first profit target. I like to take off at least 50% off the trade in the first profit target, so that, hey, I've gotten paid for the work I've done thus far, right? I've lowered my risk and I still have contracts if this trade continues, which I'm going to show you it does. Okay, now y'all, to put in perspective what 300% is, if you put in $1,000 in this trade, you could have turned that 1,000 into 3. If you put 100, you're going to turn that 1 into 300, and so on and so forth, right? So that is the power of option trading, the power of the fact that, hey, you can, get into this trade and maximize that thing to the 10th power. Well, in this case, 3 times your risk in this particular trade. And then I want you to also see that not only did we get profit target 1, but we also got profit target 2 down here. Okay, so TP2, and we were able to, you know, manage our trade, take it all the way down to this bottom point here where we realized that volume had flipped here and got out of that 300% trade. Really green. I am still in awe of how awesome this trade went, and so grateful for right after Christmas, a beautiful trade on Tesla. And we took this live, like we took this live. And the beauty of the way that we are as a family, as a community, the BUA family, is that it's not just me and my husband winning. My husband and I, we trade together live every day. But there's a lot of individuals in the group that, as you're going to be able to see, we're able to take this with us live. And the only reason they were able to do this, y'all, is because they were here with us and they actually learned how to trade. Right? They're not guessing, they're not feeling confused, they're not waiting to be told what to do. Like a lot of our friends in the learned exactly how to trade the same way I'm teaching you, so that they have the confidence to trade for themselves, right? So how cool was this to take this trade right after Christmas, go into the new year with a beautiful green 300+%. So if you ever want to trade with us live, my husband and I, we trade live every day. Yes, we are on daily. Go ahead and comment the word trade down below. We actually talk about, you know, the actual trade. We talk about a lot of more stuff. We actually have a good time. And if you want some free resources, you know, to help you get started on your journey, go ahead and comment the word free. I got you on that also. And there is a link in my description. You can just go ahead and click that if you want to get there quicker. All right. So go ahead and watch us take this trade live. And if you have any questions or comments or concerns or, you know, go ahead and put that in the comments. I love reading my comments and talking back to y'all. All right. Until the next one, I hope you have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed month, and a blessed rest of this awesome new year. All right. All right, y'all. So if you took that Tesla trade, all the way down here, go ahead and put a 1 in the chat here. Merry Christmas to us. We took this through almost 300% trade together. Yo, look at it. It's like it felt us talking about it. All it is. Look at that volume. Let's go. Some of my people, we actually still in the trade. 300%. Let's go, Lucy. And we got into this before 10 o'clock. That's wild. Wild. Let's go. Tianka, I see you. Bootcamp member. I see you. TSLL. Yeah, Ruby. 220. Let's go, AD. Listen, Merry Christmas, bro. Next time people ask you what you're doing, say, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it what I'm doing.
So I'm looking at Tesla, y'all. I'm in a little bit of Tesla puts.
Love it. Love it. 10 o'clock, babe. All right. If y'all still 30-minute workday, D, love it. If y'all took that Tesla, like you're still holding, very nice. And if you're trailing, make sure you know where your stop loss is.
I'm still in there, yeah. My runner is
still alive.
Yeah. I'm setting my runner to break even.
All right, take a breath if you got a runner, y'all. Don't look at your P&L. Just understand where your stop is. If you need to draw a line there, draw the line and have your contract loaded to sell. But now it's just let the trade play out. Ain't no stress in it right now, okay? Yo, proud of you, Tianka. Dope. 90% on your runner. That's so dope. It's on about 300%, huh?